Listen, I'm going to tell you something crazy. A month ago, there was this Boyerman, broken, lost, zero confidence. Life had beaten him so much that he couldn't even look at himself in the mirror anymore. One night he whispered, "Enough. Not anymore. I'll change my life in 30 days. Whatever it takes." And bro, that one sentence, that was the moment everything flipped. The next morning he did 3 simple things. He woke up early, he put his phone away, and he wrote down exactly who he wanted to become. Simple, right? But the world laughs at simple things until they actually work. Day 5, he wanted to quit. Day 12, no results, just pain. Day 18, people started mocking him. "You, really? Come on." And that hurt badly. But he didn't stop. Then came day 27. For the first time in years, he felt proud of himself. Not because his life had become perfect, but because he showed up every single day. And on day 30, he looked in the mirror and didn't see the old broken boy anymore. He saw someone dangerous, someone disciplined, someone becoming exactly who he promised he would be. So listen, if you really want to change your life in 1 month, stop waiting for motivation. Start showing up like your future depends on it, because it does. 30 days won't make you perfect, but they can make you unstoppable. If this story moved you, subscribe to StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time. *.